and welcome. You're probably a setter for Turn 5 of the Skunkworks League Season 1, but if you're not, welcome anyway, and here we are trying to understand how the Recoil editor works. So, first of all, I asked setters for Turn 5 to set a Recoil puzzle. This is a kinda new type of puzzle, and I asked the X-Ship to create an editor that creates a smoother experience both in setting and in solving a Recoil puzzle. So, well, let's get into it. So, this page is reachable via the link that was provided with the prompt, and it's in the new version of the puzzle portal in Vercel app. So, you get to this page, and this page is important already because it has everything you want to do here, and the first things that you can do are changing the grid. You can go to File and then click to New Board and then change the number of columns and the number of rows, of course, and so you get here. And via Edit you can adjust the board, so you can, I don't know, add stuff to the bottom, left, right or top, or remove stuff from those, as you can see. And there are other things that you can do in display, and also you can just flip the board left by 90 degrees, or just flip upside down or left side right. But apart of that, the whole point is that you have edit mode and answer mode. Now, edit mode is where you set the puzzle, answer mode is where you test your puzzle. Remember that this editor has not an embedded solution. This means that it will check if your puzzle is complete or not at every time, because it knows the rules of Recoil, rules that you can find when you click on Help and Rules of the path link, and you get rules and you go where it's needed. So yeah, so in edit mode you can just do two things. First one, you can remove cells and some types, stuff like that. Okay, so you can do that. Second thing that you can do, imagine that, I don't know, okay, let's imagine it's like that. Second thing you can do is just change the position of the starting point of your Recoil puzzle. So, for example, you can start here. When you do that, you can't really do anything else. Left side and right side, the left click and right click, do the same. The answer mode will change everything. So first of all, you can write, you can test your puzzle, and when you do that, you can decide to not show the obstacles and the background, or do that. That always applies only if you are attached to the starting point. But yeah. And also you can tell that this puzzle uses variant rules. Please remember that in Turn 5 you are not allowed to use variant rules of any kind. So yeah, anyway, in the answer mode you can just check your puzzle in some ways, and every time you reach an error, like here you can't add the recoil up here, when you check it says a move doesn't add a recoil cell, that is this one, and it's shown. There are many types of things that are not allowed, like this one, there is a branch line, so the checker just says what's wrong in every step. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, it counts every one of the cells that create problems of some kind, like here. So it says that this one don't add recoil cells. And also, I mean, you can't even do that, because it says that there is a line on a recoil cell and stuff like this. So that's pretty much it. The editor is very simple. In the Houseware mode, you can do some stuff that is the same that you can do when you solve a recoil puzzle. You can draw with left click pieces of lines, and if you click in an edge, I mean, you can switch to X or direction of the arrow, and with right click, you have only the cross. Also, if you click in a cell, you get the X. That's the only thing that you create here, and so, well, that's it. Also, you can just erase the answer, erase all the auxiliary marks, and yeah, check all the things that you want here. When your puzzle is done, you can just go to File and click on Export URL. When you click on Export URL, it will show you just the link that you can share with everyone. You can also save your file, and that allows you to well, to continue working on your puzzle if you're not finished. Or you can just export the URL and then load it again. It applies too. And save as image file means that you can save a PNG or a JPEG or stuff like that of your puzzle to share it with the world. You can't add the author's name or the puzzle name, but apart of that, well, have fun.